when I came for you.
I'm staying. I won't run.
Why did you do that?
I don't know. I can't help but get fired up. I'm afraid if I run, that I might leave something important behind me. So I fight.
Even when he faced a wave of far more powerful enemies, Roger would never think of running away.
Did that fool have a death wish? Running away's a strategy too.
For him, it wasn't even an option. Think about it. Retreat means leaving people behind. If Roger ran, he'd be abandoning his crew, the people he loved most. So when you think about it, it's not that he wouldn't run. Rather, he made sure the enemy couldn't go after his crew. He always protected them.
People all over the world still hate Roger. And even though Ace holds a grudge against him too, they really are like father, like son.